Welcome back. In the previous session, we have discussed what is a parameterized constructor, how to define the parameterized constructor inside the class and outside the class. That is similar to default constructor calling and member function calling outside the class, and call the parameter constructor implicitly and explicitly. Implicitly means without using the name of the constructor. Explicit means by using the name of the constructor. Okay, that is clear. Now the next continuation is the parameterized constructor with default arguments. That is, I am defining a constructor with the default arguments. See the example: class item int quantity comma id public float price. Okay, this is the normal thing with the three data members. Now I am defining a parameterized constructor with the default argument. So see, item of int, suppose x is equal to 10, int y is equal to 1, float z is equal to 100.0. What is this one? I am writing parameters. So this is a parameterized constructor. I am assigning some values. This is called default values. These are called default values. When we are using these default values, so see the letter. Simply quantity is equal to x, id is equal to y, price is equal to z. So a normal parameterized constructor assignment, that is, initialize the data members. Now void display of cout quantity id price. I think this is clear. Now what is the use of these default values when they are used? Into main of, I am creating main. Now what is the next step? Create an object item I. So this is the parameterized constructor. This is a parameterized constructor. You have to write within brackets. We have to pass the values within parameters. For example, 20 comma 2 comma some 200.0. Now suppose object name is some i1 dot display. So what happens whenever we are creating an object, the constructor is called with three values. Constructor is called with these three values. So 20 is assigned to x, but x already contains the value 10. If you are passing 20, what happens? It overrides. Now what is the value of x? The value of x is 20, value of y is 2, value of z is 200. This is the way. So whenever we are calling the display function, the answer is 20 to 200.0. Here there is no importance for default arguments. So here I am using three parameters. I am passing three parameters. Then what is the use of default arguments? Now consider, create another object item I2 of 30 comma 3. Actually, syntactically, how many number of parameters we have? 3 parameters. At the time of object creation, how many values you have to pass? Compulsory you have to pass 3 values. That is the number of parameters at the time of definition, number of parameters at the time of calling must be same. Otherwise it produces some error. But in this case, I am defining the constructor with some default values. Here I am passing only 2 values. What happens? 30 is assigned to x, 3 is assigned to y, but for z, no value. So for z, I am not giving any value. In that case, what is the value of z? Z value is 100. I think you got it. If you are not passing any value In those cases, it consider the default value. Consider the default value. So I2 dot display. So here I am writing the answer. Answer is 20 to 200.0. For this one, 30 is copied into x, comma, 3, and default value for z is 100.0. So consider one more thing, item I3 of some 4. Here I am passing only one parameter, that is copied into x. So I3 dot display of, what are the values? The values are, suppose 40, the values are 40, y value is 1, that is id value is equal to 1, z is equal to 100.0. If you are passing the exact number of parameters, they are overridden. Otherwise the default values are considered. Now consider one more thing, and the very important one, item I4 of. That is, I am calling the parameterized constructor without any parameters. So remember, suppose you think that you have no parameters, already default values. If you are not writing these parentheses, what happens? Even if you are not writing these parentheses, means the object I4 calls the default constructor, but the program contains the parameterized constructor. The default constructors are hidden, so it gives an error. So that is the reason, even though we are not passing any parameters, you can write the empty parenthesis also. I4 dot display of. So what are the values? All default values, 10, 1, 100.0. This is the way to call the parameterized constructor with default value.